In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a snow effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a simple way to add a wintry feel to your videos. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your video clip in the timeline. Once that's ready, drag and drop your snow overlay onto the layer above your video clip. If you don't have a snow overlay, you can find one online or download it from the link in the description. Now, with the overlay in place, you should see the snow effect on your video. To make it more realistic, select the snow overlay clip in your timeline. Next, go to the Effects panel, which is usually on the right side of your screen. In the search bar, type Directional Blur. When you find it, drag and drop the effect onto your snow overlay clip. After applying the effect, go to the Effect Controls panel. Here, set the blur direction to 180 degrees. This will make the blur vertical, matching the direction the snow is falling. Now, adjust the blur length. Set it to around 5. This creates a subtle blur that enhances the realism of the snow effect. Once that's done, play your video to preview the effect. You should now see snow falling with a more natural and dynamic look, and that's it. You've successfully added a snow effect to your video in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.